Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Expobar Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of things. We replaced the gasket, the one that you see right here, because the other one was actually not reading correctly. We also replaced the water pump in the machine, this one that you see right here, as well as the shower. We gave the machine a tune and replacing the shower screen and the gasket of the machine. This gasket is definitely really dry up, as you can see right here. And just for comparison, this is a gasket. This is how it's supposed to be. So we replaced that as well. We descaled the machine. There was a lot of scale build up in this machine, so we had to do a couple of rinsing cycles on it. But now the machine is working perfectly fine. Doesn't have any super gas inside the boiler as well. It has extremely good pressure from the steam one, as well as the hot water one. We'll test that later after doing an espresso shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grand settings for this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, we have really good water flow coming out of the machine, good color and good crema. That's espresso shot. And now for the hot water. As you can see, we have an excellent pressure, working perfectly fine. Thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. This is come to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.